Hey guys, what's going on? Tonight from Home Chef, we'll be making the ribeye steak burrito bowl with Pico De Gallo. As always, we're going to go through what came in the package from Home Chef, as well as the utensils we need to prep and cook the meal. Once that's completed, we'll go through a step-by-step process of prepping and cooking the meal. That said, let's get started. Alright guys, we are working with the following ingredients tonight. We have a 1/4 ounce of cilantro. We have 1 yellow onion. We have 1/2 cup of jasmine rice. We have 1 Roma tomato. 1 lime. 1 green bell pepper. 10 ounces of sliced ribeye. 2 large flour tortillas. 1½ tablespoons of smoked chili and cumin rub. And 1 ounce of sour cream. Alright, so we're going to need a few things to prep and cook the meal. As always, we will need a nice medium to large size pan, medium sized pot, baking sheet. We'll also need about 4 containers to slice and dice things. We'll need 1 mixing bowl. You need a measuring cup. You'll need some aluminum foil, some cooking spray. Let me zoom out so you can see better. Here we go. Some olive oil. Some salt. Some pepper. And as always, your favorite knife. I'm going to prep the veggies, clean them, and I'll be right back. Alright, just a modification on the utensils you need. You also need a zester for the lime, as well as a juicer and a cup for the lime juice. Aside from that, we're going to zest and half the lime. 1/2 is going to be used for juice, the other half we're going to cut into wedges. For the tomato, we're going to core and cut into 1/4 pieces. We're going to zest the cilantro as well as the stems and seeds all together. For the onion, we're going to cut it in half. We're going to cut 1/2 into strips and dice the other into 1/4 pieces. For the pepper, we're going to stem, seed, and slice the green pepper into 1/4 strips as well. Easy peasy. We're going to place the jasmine rice in a pot. And a cup of water. Bring it to a boil and then reduce to a simmer. Alright, we're now going to bring it down to a simmer and let it cook for about 18 minutes. Give or take 18-19 minutes. We're now going to make the flour tortillas. First up, take a piece, put it down on your cooking sheet. Give it a fast spray. And then you have the flour tortillas right here. You want to have soft ball size balls. So it's going to take a big piece, but like that. Put it inside and just fold like that. Makes any sense? Take another one. And do it. So you don't want it super tight, just make it loose. And do another one. Like that. Make this one a little bit out a little more. There we go. So look, pretty simple. Right, they're going in for about 10 minutes, give or take, right? Until they're crispy. So it says 5 to 10, let's put 8 and see how we make the Pico De Gallo. Very simply, we're going to add the diced tomatoes, diced onions, approximately 1 teaspoon of lemon zest, and a teaspoon of the lime juice, some cilantro, and a pinch of salt, pinch of pepper. Mix together. Good to go. We're going to add some oil to the pan. Let that get nice and hot. Spread it around as always. Now I'm going to add the ribeye to the pan. On a high temp, I'm going to cook for about 3 minutes. We're going to now remove the ribeye and we're going to cook the veggies. The ribeye is going to go back in a couple minutes, well more than a couple minutes, a few minutes, and we'll continue to cook them. Now I need to clean the pan. We're just going to dump the veggies in next. Just trying to get everything out. There we go. Just put it in a bowl and just put it to the side. Alright, we're going to add the onion slices and the green peppers. And a little olive oil. Cook for about 5 minutes. Give it a toss. Just let it cook. Alright, so the rice is now ready. We're going to add half the cilantro. Mix together. Cut the heat. Cover and you're done for that part. Alright, so we're getting to the home stretch. Going to add the steak back in. Add half a cup of water, as well as the seasoning blend. Still more. Mix that together. Smells great. Make sure it's mixed well. You don't want anything coming out powdery. We're going to bring down to a simmer. while it cooks. About 4 or 5 minutes. Just mix it around for maybe every 30 seconds or so. And we're getting to the home stretch. And we're now ready to go to the final step. That is to cut the heat. One more toss, mix, and add the rice, which is still hot. A little bit. And add the rice to the pan. They didn't give us a lot of rice, unfortunately. Mix that together. Just mixed well. There we go. Add some salt. Oops. Add some pepper. Put it on the mix. And we're ready to plate. I guess now we're going to plate the bowl. Alright, here we go. So I'm going to take, here is the bowl, sorry. About half. So the Pico De Gallo. See this? Let's go. And a dollop of sour cream. Some wedges of lime. There you go. Whoops. Stay tuned for the review. Very tasty meal. No real complaints. I'd say maybe if they gave us a little more rice, that'd be good. Maybe 2 cups of rice, you know, instead of half a cup. But aside from that, fantastic meal. I'd make it again. And I think anyone would like this meal. I mean, it has a kick, but very tasty. All right, good night.